When we read or hear information about how to take care of your house, we tend to hear the same information over and over again. Change your air filter, check your smoke detectors, check your carbon monoxide detectors, check your ground fault outlets. Those are the outlets with the little reset buttons. Check your gutters, check your downspouts, make sure they're clean. That's all good stuff. But I want to suggest to you that you can use your 5 senses to also listen to what your house is telling you. Important stuff. For example, you're doing laundry and you smell humidity. You feel the humidity. That's probably because your dryer vent is clogged and it's not venting well. That can be a dangerous situation, and it also can be a mold producing issue. Good to get that dryer vent cleaned every year, and at that point. If you live with a heat pump and it's running a lot more than usual, it might be because it's not working right. That should be checked, and we'll show you how to do that in another video. If you hear running water, especially from a toilet, a leaking toilet valve, it wastes a lot of water, and that can turn into quite an expense. So that would be something to pay attention to and address. If you hear any scurrying up in the attic, and you've accounted for all your children, could be squirrels, mice, it could even be raccoons, and that's potentially not only unhealthy, but they can cause damage. If you have small children, look up once in a while underneath the bathrooms that they use. Little kids often have some trouble keeping all the water in the bathtub. If you go to your basement and it smells musty, it smells damp, it feels damp, it probably is damp. That's a moisture concern, and that can be a mold issue too. So what's the takeaway here? Yes, change your filters and check your smoke detectors and all that other stuff. That's all good stuff. But I want to suggest to you that your house is always talking to you, and that it's always helpful to be listening to it so you can respond to issues that it's telling you about. Thanks for listening.